Today marks an exciting milestone on the path to the inaugural flight of the cutting-edge B-21 Raider stealth bomber, as the U.S. Air Force has officially initiated ground-based engine test runs. Being designed with open systems architecture to reduce integration risk and enable competition for future modernization efforts to allow for the aircraft to evolve as the threat environment changes. The B-21 Raider will be a dual-capable penetrating strike stealth bomber capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear munitions. Will be a component of a larger family of systems for conventional long-range strike. Exciting revelations unfolded as Air Force Chief of Staff General Charles Q. Brown Jr. and contractor Northrop Grumman jointly unveiled fresh, intriguing visuals of the enigmatic B-21 Raider. Northrop Grumman's B-21 Raider was unveiled on Friday, December 2, at the company's site in Palmdale, California, marking the first time the world's first sixth-generation aircraft was seen by the public. Northrop did announce in July that the bomber accomplished its first power-on test in recent months, moving it another step closer to a first flight that is still scheduled to take place before the end of 2023. The U.S. Air Force's new B-21 Raider stealth bomber is one step closer to its first flight, with the start of engine test runs on the ground just being announced. Two Air Force images, released during Brown's keynote address at AFA's Air, Space and Cyber Conference and dated July 31st, showcase the bomber at Northrop Grumman's Palmdale, Cali-Founder Facility, Air Force Global Strike Command. Boss General Thomas A. Bassier announced September 12 that the B-21 has begun engine runs as part of its ground testing program. Air Force Secretary Frank Kendall said the B-21 program includes a long-range strike system that will be integrated with the aircraft, such as weapons and sensors. Although often shrouded in secrecy, it's crucial to recognize that the B-21 Raider forms just one vital component within a larger, intricately integrated ecosystem. The roots of this transformative initiative can be traced back to the late 2000s, when the Air Force began laying the groundwork for the Raider's development. Originally dubbed the Long-Range Strike Bomber Program, it was a pivotal element within what was then referred to as the Long-Range Strike family of systems. This expansive initiative encompasses more than just the B-21. The formidable long-range standoff cruise missile, with its nuclear capabilities and stealth attributes, is another integral facet of the broader LRS endeavor. Recently redesignated as the AGM-181, the LRSO is poised to replace the Air Force's existing AGM-86B air-launched nuclear cruise missile. Beyond these, there's been past mention of additional weapon systems, such as directed energy weapons, all conceived within the overarching concept of the LRS family of systems. Secretary Kendall's reference to munitions undoubtedly points toward the multifaceted future of the B-21 family of systems. Among the potential innovations on the horizon are directed energy weapons, including cutting-edge laser technology, advanced electronic warfare systems, decoys, and even hard-kill interceptors. This strategic evolution promises to usher in a new era of defense capabilities for the B-21 Raider and its integrated ecosystem. The B-21 Raider will be the backbone of the bomber fleet and will incrementally replace the B-1 and B-2 bombers as sufficient numbers of B-21s are available. The state-of-the-art bomber will provide survivable, long-range, penetrating strike capabilities to deter aggression and protect the United States, allies, and partners. When it comes to delivering America's resolve, the Raider provides the Air Force with long-range, high survivability, and mission payload flexibility. The B-21 will penetrate the toughest defenses for precision strikes anywhere in the world. Well, some important facts about Northrop Grumman's B-21 Raider that are now revealed. Number 1. Sixth generation. Though the term sixth-generation aircraft is now largely used to describe the next-generation fighter programs that are in development, Northrop Grumman highlighted that the Raider benefits from more than 3 decades of strike and stealth technology. The bomber promises to be the next evolution of the Air Force strategic bomber fleet, and it was developed with the next generation of stealth technology, advanced networking capabilities, and an open systems architecture. Optimized for the high-end threat environment, the Raider will be able to play a critical role in helping the Air Force meet its most complex missions. It is a testament to America's superiority in ingenuity and innovation. And it is a testament to the U.S. Department of State's long-term commitment to building advanced capabilities that will strengthen America's ability to deter aggression now and in the future. Number 2. Stealth. B-21 Northrop Grumman is continuously advancing technology, employing new manufacturing techniques and materials to ensure the B-21 will defeat the anti-access, area denial systems it will face. The B-21 is capable of networking across the battlespace to multiple systems and into all domains. Supported by a digital ecosystem throughout its lifecycle, the B-21 can quickly evolve through rapid technology upgrades that provide new capabilities to outpace future threats. The B-21 Raider will be a component of a larger family of systems for conventional long-range strike, including intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, electronic attack, communication, and other capabilities. It will be nuclear capable and designed to accommodate manned or unmanned operations. Additionally, it will be able to employ a broad mix of standoff and direct attack munitions. Number 3. A digital bomber. The B-21 Northrop Grumman uses agile software development, advanced manufacturing techniques, and digital engineering tools to help mitigate production risk on the B-21 program and enable modern sustainment practices. As the self-proclaimed first sixth-generation aircraft in the world, the B-21 Raider boasts an unparalleled level of next-generation stealth capability. To put it simply, it possesses the remarkable ability to operate undetected by radar systems, enabling it to strike enemy targets with extraordinary precision before their defense systems even register the impending threat. Well, with the B-21, the U.S. Air Force will be able to deter or defeat threats anywhere in the world. The B-21 is an example of how Northrop Grumman is leading the industry in digital transformation and digital engineering. Number 4. Backbone of the fleet. The United States Air Force plans to acquire at least 100 of the Raiders in the coming decades, forming the backbone of the U.S. bomber fleet. It will fly alongside and then eventually replace the B-2 Spirit and B-52 Stratofortress. The B-21 will also be capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear payloads, making it one of the most effective aircraft in the ski, with the ability to use a broad mix of standoff and direct attack munitions. Standoff weapons are a class of munitions encompassing missiles or bombs that can be deployed from a safe distance. This strategic advantage grants attacking forces the ability to avoid the weapon's immediate effects or any defensive fire originating from the target area. Number 5. Raider. The B-21 Raider is named in honor of the Doolittle raids of World War II, when 80 men led by Lieutenant Cole, James "Jimmy" Doolittle, and 16 B-25 Mitchell medium bombers set off on a mission that changed the course of World War II. The designation B-21 recognizes the Raider as the first bomber of the 21st century. The Air Force awarded the B-21 engineering and manufacturing development contract to Northrop Grumman on October 27, 2015. In 2018, the program successfully conducted a critical design review of the weapon system, which is a comprehensive evaluation of the program's overall design maturity, stability, and risk. In 2019, the Air Force completed the strategic siting process and announced that Ellsworth Air Force Base, South Dakota, Texas, is the preferred location for the B-21's primary operating base. This marked a catalyst for many future advances in U.S. air superiority over land and sea. The courageous spirit of the Doolittle Raiders was the inspiration behind the name B-21 Raider. Join us for exciting content on our YouTube channel. Subscribe now to stay up to date with our interesting, informative, and thrilling videos every week. Click the subscribe button and activate notifications so you don't miss our latest content.